Hello everyone, Dr. Neha Bharadwajan here. So I'm making this video to remove all your queries regarding homeopathy and COVID-19. So this is not related only to COVID-19 but to any epidemic, any pandemic or any infection for that matter. So I've divided people into three situations. First is where people come in direct contact with a COVID positive patient like the frontline health workers or the caretakers. Second are those who come in contact with the public outside or with the public property and then come back home. And third are those who are staying at home and maintaining social distancing and go out only for essentials. So why has homeopathy been in talk these days? Homeopathy is a pathy or a mode of treatment where it works by improving or increasing your immune system or immune power, right? So for example, I'll tell you how we can differentiate immune system. uh, Two kids of the same mother, they have had ice cream at the same time, and one of them falls ill and one is fine. The one who falls ill has a weak immune system, right? Also, both the kids are different in nature, in their likes, dislikes and in their temperament. So what we as homeopaths do is take a complete detailed history of each patient and then give them a medicine, what is called the constitutional medicine, or in layman term tailor-made medicine. That is, it is made specially for you, right? So in this situation, what can we do when there are 2-3 medicines coming up? So if you are under homeopathic treatment already, then you don't need to take any extra medicines from outside, because that is already covering your that is already improving your immune system, and your homeopathic doctor has already given you a constitutional medicine, right? Second are those who are not on any homeopathic treatment. So for them, I would suggest you contact your nearby homeopathic doctor or anyone you know and ask them to take your detailed history and then give you a constitutional medicine. And again, those who are not under any homeopathic treatment but you cannot give your case history or you cannot meet your doctor one-to-one, then you can take what is given by the Ayush guidelines, that is arsenic album 30 once a day, 3 pills for 3 days, and then take it again after 1 month. So this doesn't mean that you don't do what all you were doing till now, that is you continue social distancing, continue wearing mask, continue washing your hands and all the other sanitization, and take the homeopathic medicine. So if you have any further queries, you can call on my number, that is 9096745734, or you can drop a message. I'll be happy to help. Thank you.